How to draw the Savannah Bananas logo, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of today's drawing, we're going to draw a squiggle line going from left to right. This will be the top of the right eye. Nicely done! Next we're going to draw a small line going out from the left of the line that we just drew. Now beginning at that point where we just stopped, we're now going to use that point to begin to draw the top of the outline of the banana. Keep in mind that if I ever go too fast, then feel free to pause or rewind the video as you need to. Next, let's draw a small line that is straight, going up towards the left. From where we just stopped, we're going to use that point to draw the rest of the top of the banana. Fantastic, so far this looks great. We're going to take a brief pause on the top portion of the banana. We're going to go right below where we first began drawing with the top outline of the eye. Here we're going to draw a C line for the nose. We will now draw a small line that will connect the C that we just drew to the line right above. This will help us make the outline of the left eye. So as of right now, we have the outline for the left eye drawn. Now let's go ahead and draw the outline for the right eye. Inside each of the outlines that we just drew, we're now going to draw a small black circle that will be towards the bottom right corner. This will be the pupil of our banana. Fantastic! Now right above what we just drew, let's draw a squiggle line going up and down. This squiggle line will be a detail that is added to the top portion of the banana. The squiggle line that we just drew will help us judge the distance of what the width of our banana should be when we come back to this step in just a few moments. Now let's go to the bottom portion of our banana and begin drawing from the smiley face. And if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give this a big like by hitting the thumbs up button right below. That way we'll know to keep drawing content just like this. Whoa, this looks great! Now let's go ahead and finish drawing the bottom piece of the banana and connect all the way up to the top portion. Now we will go ahead and draw a line to connect between the two endpoints that we previously stopped at. We'll want to make sure that this line is not too wide, otherwise it will throw off the width of our banana. Nice! Last but not least, I will add another line going up and down in the bottom portion of our banana. This is how to draw the Savannah Bananas logo. Thank you for watching on How to Draw Hub, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget that I'll show a picture of this drawing next, fully colored in. Great Great job today, and thank you for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.